Are you tired of a Kvcore dashboard that feels more like a digital junkyard than a command center? Then get ready to transform your Kvcore experience. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to customize your home screen for maximum efficiency in just a few simple steps. First, let's talk about widgets. These are the building blocks of your dashboard. To remove a widget, simply click the three dots in the upper right corner of the widget you want to get rid of. Then, select Delete. Don't worry, you can always add it back later if you change your mind. To add widgets, look for the Add Widget button, usually located at the top or bottom of your screen. Click that, and you'll see a menu with a ton of options, from new leads to tasks and even market reports. Choose the widgets that are most important to your daily workflow. Now for the fun part, rearranging. Simply click and drag the header of a widget to move it around your dashboard. Place your most frequently used widgets at the top for quick access. I like to keep my new leads and tasks widgets front and center. Take some time to experiment with different layouts and widget combinations. The goal is to create a dashboard that provides you with the information you need at a glance. Be sure to save or apply changes. It is important to confirm these customizations. And that's it. With a little customization, you can transform your Kvcore dashboard from a source of frustration into a powerful productivity tool. Spend less time clicking around and more time closing deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks.